At first, it was just a little closer, a little brighter, a little too big.
The tides became monsters. Waves taller than mountains roared across the Earth.
Gravity tore at the moon's crust, and pieces began to fall.
The night became fire. The sky, a storm of falling moons. And then, the moon itself began to fall. The air screamed. The ground bent beneath invisible hands. And in an instant, everything ended.
Earth became an ocean of fire, acid, molten, silent, unrecognizable. From the ashes, a new planet was born, half Earth, half moon.
And in the silent dark, the universe moved on.